Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not working on Infinix GT30. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on app management, click on app list, click on camera app, click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache. After clear cache camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon. Again tap on this icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so again click on settings app, click on system and click on reset phone, reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.